Hey guys, welcome back. If you are looking for the best wheelbarrows, here is a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customers. To know more about these products, please be sure to check out the description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Choice Products Dual Wheel Wheelbarrow. The pick for the best wheelbarrow is the Best Choice Products 5 cubic foot wheelbarrow. Loved for many reasons, it stands out for its steel-looped handlebar, which features a thick padded foam covering, making it very comfortable to lift and push even when full. During testing in the lab, the wheelbarrow was loaded with 2 heavy bags of mulch and proved easy to push or pull over mulch, grass, gravel, pavement, and even lawn edging. There were no issues with imbalance or tipping, and maneuvering around tree trunks or large objects was effortless. Assembly was relatively easy, taking slightly over 30 minutes with straightforward instructions. One downside was the double air-filled 13-inch wheels arriving uninflated, requiring pumping before testing. Once properly inflated, the wheels held air perfectly and rolled smoothly over all terrains thanks to their large size and thick tread. The wheelbarrow transported weeds, pruned branches, pavers, mulch, and other garden materials with ease. It remained stable and maneuverable, though a deeper design would add weight. Number 2. Gorilla Cart's Garden Dump Cart. Unlike most wheelbarrows, which require full strength to lift and dump loads, this 4-wheeled garden cart features a patented quick-release dumping mechanism that tilts the body with minimal user effort. The design is quite ingenious, significantly reducing strain when dumping heavy materials like mulch. The cart maneuvered effortlessly across various terrains during testing, including gravel, mulch, grass, pavement, and landscape edging. It remained stable with no imbalance or tipping, and the pivoting front wheels allowed sharper turns than traditional single-wheel models like the True Temper 6 cubic foot wheelbarrow. Assembly proved challenging, taking 67 minutes and considerable force, making it a 2-person job. The 4 10-inch rubber tires required inflation before testing and lost some air during use, though they rolled smoothly over all surfaces. The steel frame adds durability, and the polyurethane body feels robust. However, the single-handle design forces all effort onto one arm, straining the back and shoulders. Number 3. Garden Star Yard Rover Wheelbarrow. This well-priced model from Garden Star earned top marks for its reliable performance, comfortable handles, and ability to handle tasks without straining the user. It easily held 2 bags of mulch, which could be dumped forward without significant lifting. The 2-wheel design provided sturdy balance, eliminating any risk of tipping or losing control. Maneuverability was excellent in all directions, forward, backward, and around corners, with no issues over gravel, branches, or smooth surfaces. During 6 months of yard testing, the wheelbarrow proved dependable, though heavier loads like rocks risked bending the plastic bucket. For this reason, it's best suited for lighter materials such as soil, loose mulch, or plants. When transporting dense objects, manually unloading them is advisable to avoid damage. Even when full, the wheelbarrow remained efficient across different terrains and tight turns. The single-bar handle offered a comfortable grip and precise steering, making it easy to control regardless of weight. Number 4. Rubbermaid Big Wheel Yard Cart. For those needing a heavy-duty option to haul large loads of landscaping materials, the Rubbermaid 8.75 cubic foot plastic wheelbarrow, the largest on the list, delivers impressive performance. Its no-assembly design and flat-free 20-inch wheels eliminate the hassle of inflating tires while ensuring smooth rolling across all terrains. During testing, the wheelbarrow easily carried 4 heavy bags of mulch through various surfaces like grass, gravel, and pavement. The dual-wheel design provided excellent stability, preventing any risk of tipping or losing control even when dumping loads. Despite its large capacity, it conveniently hangs on garage storage hooks, saving significant space. Maneuvering over landscape edging required slightly more effort, especially with a full load, but stability remained uncompromised. There was no wobbling or swaying, even during sharp turns or obstacle navigation. One drawback is the molded handle, which lacks the extended grip of traditional wheelbarrows. While it made lifting and dumping effortless, the hard plastic can be uncomfortable on bare hands, making gardening gloves a must. Number 5. Garden Residential Wheelbarrow. The Garden Star Garden Barrow is a lightweight wheelbarrow with a plastic tray, ideal for transporting small to medium loads until one of its tires went flat early in testing. Assembly is simple, with uniformly sized bolts that eliminate confusion. However, during the second test while loaded with mulch, one of the pneumatic tires unexpectedly collapsed. Although repairable using a valve core removal tool, most homeowners lack specialty bicycle repair tools for such fixes. The flat tire significantly impacted performance, making the wheelbarrow difficult to maneuver with a load. Without quick access to repair equipment, users may find themselves stranded mid-task. This flaw overshadows the otherwise practical design, including its manageable weight and easy-to-clean plastic tray. For those considering this model, factoring in the potential need for tire maintenance tools is advisable. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.